You making sure that you have every last drop up, huh? Don't fall out of your seat. Are you done licking your plate? Are you sure?
No.
Oh, okay. It's not that we don't feed you, honest.
I'm done.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna lick that part.
Okay, you lick that part. Did you need me to take the beaters?
Huh?
Did you need me to take the beaters so you can lick that part on the plate?
No.
Okay. Here, you can want to lick that part. Okay.
Okay.
You making sure you got every last drop, huh? Ooh. So what kind of plate? I mean, what kind of cake?
It's for me?
No, what kind of cake do we make?
This cake.
I know, but what's it called?
Frozen cake.
No, it's not frozen. What kind of do you call it when it's brown?
It's brown.
I know it's brown, but what kind is it? Chocolate.
Yeah, that's right.
We made chocolate cake, huh? Now we gotta clean you up. Yeah.
Can I have some more chocolate?
No, we're gonna clean you up first, okay? All right?
I'm gonna help you making more cake.
Yep, sure will. Okay, let's go ahead and clean you up.